leader of the Houghton Mars project on an ATV traverse through high polar desert. As you can see, it's very rocky. There's very little snow or water. The first leg of our ATV traverse was about 7 kilometers to a far ridge in order to set up some equipment. We're on our way back to main camp right now. We've got 4 of us in this group, Dr. Lee, and 2 folks bringing up the rear. ATVs are common transport in these parts because the terrain is so tough. But we also have a mule, not a real one, the vehicle, at the back of the line.